And how can we end this broken higher education system? The student debt crisis didn't happen overnight. We're here today through the decades of underinvestment of public colleges and overfunding of interest-bearing federal student loans. For 30 years, the United States government underinvested into higher education while the value of a college degree has gone up. For the last 18 years, in response to the underperformance of the labor market, the feds extended student debt and encouraged the public to take on this debt and attend college to fix what we call the skills gap in the labor market. More people are eager to get an advanced degree than ever, and the responsibility of financing that degree has entirely shifted to the individual. With the U.S. Department of Education holding onto the vast majority of the outstanding student loans and available money for students, public and private colleges kept raising their tuitions, assuming students had unlimited access to finance their futures. As a result, we are facing an education and student debt crisis that have crippled multiple generations from achieving upward mobility as they spend their entire lives paying back interest on their student loans. That's why we're here today, calling for a one-time federal student debt cancellation to reset and correct our market system. The federal government has the ability to liberate the working and middle class and help redesign our debt-driven system. It also makes it twice as hard for Black and Latino students to get ahead in our society. The numbers and data don't lie. If you're a person of color living in certain zip codes, you will have to borrow more money to go to college, but more unlikely to pay back that debt to the creditor due to the lack of opportunities around you. We have over 20 labor groups, nonprofits, community leaders calling on the White House and our New York congressional delegation and the 2018 candidates to publicly pledge the federal cancellation of student debt and ask them to make this announcement proudly and loudly on all their social media.